Does Dentitox-Pro work? If you want to know if Dentitox-Pro work and if it's worth buying to improve the health of your gums, stay with me until the end of this video and I'll tell you all about the truth of Dentitox-Pro. First of all, I need you to watch this video until the end because I have an important warning for you about the purchase of Dentitox-Pro supplement. Watch this entire video because in the last few minutes I will explain this risk better. The official website for the purchase of Dentitox is in the description of this video. Buying through the official website, you are guaranteed that you are buying an original product with its guarantee, which will bring you truly real and satisfying results described in this review. Avoid scams by buying through the official website. Here's my review on Dentitox-Pro. Does Dentitox-Pro really work? Yes, Dentitox-Pro is a nutritional supplement that treats your gum and teeth in a completely natural way. By taking 6 drops of Dentitox-Pro daily, you will give your body the ingredients it needs to clean your gums and teeth, reversing serious oral health problems. The supplement was developed by a man named Marc Hall, who used this formula to solve his own serious oral health problems. Dentitox-Pro comes in a liquid formula. You take 6 drops of the liquid formula daily, and that will be enough to transform your smile and improve your oral health. Dentitox-Pro also keeps your teeth strong and your breath fresh, among other benefits. How does Dentitox-Pro work? Dentitox-Pro supports the health of your teeth using 100% natural ingredients. You can eat any type of food you like without experiencing pain, cavities, or gum inflammation. The supplement keeps you from worrying about cavities and gum inflammation, which are serious oral health problems. Dentitox-Pro uses a blend of synthetic and natural vitamins, minerals, and extracts to achieve these benefits. The supplement contains 100% of your recommended dietary intake, RDA, of vitamin C, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2, for example. It also contains elderberry extract, sage, cinnamon extract, cinnamon, and other ingredients to freshen your breath. Dentitox even contains ingredients we don't normally see in oral health supplements, including collagen and MSM. Some of these ingredients help healthy gums by rebuilding them from the inside out, like collagen and MSM. Other ingredients overload your saliva with antibacterial and antiviral properties, like licorice and elderberry. Some ingredients simply refresh your breath, leaving your mouth clean, such as xylitol, peppermint, and cinnamon. Buying Dentitox-Pro kit from the official website today. How soon do I get it? The average delivery time is 7 working days to receive it at your home. In conclusion, what does Dentitox-Pro do? The formula of Dentitox-Pro was developed based on an African tribe ritual that, in short, treats the health of your mouth from the inside out. See some benefits of Dentitox. Clears inflammation and infection, rebuilds gums, triggers teeth rejuvenation, treats general oral and dental health. Now remember that I told you about a serious warning I had about the purchase of Dentitox-Pro supplement. Well, since it was launched, Dentitox has been a hit in sales, and this has unfortunately led to scams with fake websites selling the fake product to take advantage of the product's name. However, these are risks in buying this product without knowing the origin. Avoid scams and always buy from the official website. And for this reason, I will be leaving the link to the official website in the description of this video for the purchase of Dentitox-Pro. Buying through the official website, you are guaranteed original products that will really bring you results. I do not recommend buying elsewhere to avoid scams. So this is going to be the end of my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.